that
Susan Mochache oimana ihinda iritũ mbere ya kamĩtĩ nene ya mbunge ya bũrũri agĩcokia ciũria cia kũũra gwa kĩgĩna kĩa mbirioni ithano kuma rũhonge rwa mũingĩ rwa wendia wa ndawa na indo ingĩ cia ũrigitani cia KEMSA.
I just want to know from you in your own words, what gave Kenyans, is it greed? What is it that gave people so much fire in their bellies to disregard everything into billions?
regard for the law prevail? I do not know. I have no answer for that, and I am equally surprised at how things transpired. In terms of, and also to note that you can see the management trying to look for money retrospectively.
Mochache ni akanite gukorwo aheanire mwerekera kuri ruhonge ruru wa kuhitukia indo cia muigana wa kigina kiu cia kurigita murimu wa COVID-19 akienda maofitha a ruhonge rwa KEMSA aria matigithirio wira kuheana wira o wothe mangikorwo menaguo ati niwe waheanire mwerekera ucio.
Before 1 week closes, we rush to another 3 billion. Then we are at 4 billion.
No, actually, let me give the figures right.
Yes.
It was 2.1 billion.
Yeah.
And then thereafter, look at how short of
Yes.
a period it is. This
Yeah.
is at 1st of April.
Yeah.
By 24th of April, this figure has shot
Yes.
less 4,000 shillings to reach 4 billion shillings.
That is hardly 3 weeks.
Exactly.
I mean, I would agree with Honorable Kajwang to the extent that, of course, these kind of experiences also give us lessons from which we learn from. You know, after such an occurrence, you're obviously sensitized to do things differently. But Chair, even when there are checks and balances and sometimes even the best of laws, and you have an individual who decides to completely go against the law in an unimaginable way, really, you can't be held responsible for that.
Mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa rũhonge rũrũ John Majari ũrĩa nĩ ũmwe wa andũ arĩa marũgamirio nĩ ũndũ wa gũcukĩrwo kwa ngukumio ĩno niwe Mochache aratigira mũrigo ũrĩa mũnene harĩ gũcokia ciũria ici akiuga o mũndũ akuwe mũtharaba wake.
Because we all are given individual responsibility. So in this case, you can see the damage happens within a very short period of time. Very short period of time. I also cannot understand how that could have happened because every action there was actually not at all within the law.
Hede ino akĩithũkia atĩ indo cia COVID-19 iria irĩ thitoo cia KEMSA ingĩendio na thogora ũrĩa wĩ thoko ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ bũrũri no ũthiĩ hathara ũũ arĩ kuonania atĩ indo icio nĩ ciongereirwo thogora ikĩgũrwo. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kĩmani.